Updating your payment method on Talkspace is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Talkspace website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this to access your current payment details. Step 4. Update payment method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new payment method. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Talkspace. Regularly checking your payment information can help avoid any interruptions in your service.